Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change sound mode on your Xiaomi TV. If your TV runs on the Fire OS, just like this one, then you're gonna have to first navigate to settings, then in settings select display and audio, then go to audio settings. In audio settings, select the first option, which is sound mode, and then select one of the available sound modes just by navigating to it and clicking OK. Then you can return to the home screen and the changes will apply. In case if your device runs on the PatchWall or the default Xiaomi operational system, then of course you're gonna have to first go to settings, but then you're gonna have to navigate to device preferences menu. And once you are in the device preferences menu, you will find the sound settings. And in sound settings, you will also have the sound mode option, which will also let you switch between the available sound modes. And you can change them in the very same way. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.